Hello traders, the title of the video is how to review Elliott wave counts, Dow Jones Index. I'm on a monthly chart of the Dow Jones Index and we're going to review our Elliott wave accounts. How to review Elliott wave count, Dow Jones Index. So previously we have counted the first wave. This is our first wave, still there. That's the first wave there. And then we have a second wave ending here. And now we were saying that probably this is the end of the third wave at the level of 26550. 26550. Draw it on your chart, this line here. 26550. Is that the end of the third wave? The third wave can be extended, all right? But at this point in time, one step at a time, probably is the end of the third wave. We will see. All right? That's the best approach. Okay? So we were expecting a fourth wave. Okay? And it became a bit messy here because you can see that I draw a triangle, a very funny triangle. So I draw a line. You see this line here? I draw this at the beginning of the year. Then I just connect this point here. Okay. I draw this line. So we have a triangle. I draw a median line of that triangle. And I was saying to traders that if it goes above the triangle, the final support, prior to bullish signal, if it stays below it. So where are we now? Okay, talking about reviewing our wave count. Is anything new that we can add to what we had said before? All right, is our wave count still valid? At this point in time, it looks like our wave count is still holding. It's not completely kaput, so to speak, a bit of German to you. All right, so we will not, okay, change the third wave. We will not change the second wave. We will not change the first wave. But the third wave can still be extended. But that triangle that we see there is still in place. So what we need to say to traders, so reviewing our Elliott wave count, we want to share with traders, okay, what they need to pay attention to today. So when we say today, we mean now. So now means where is the price now? Where is the Dow Jones Index? Dow Jones Index is now at 25822. All right. Okay. So what has happened so far is that the price breaks below that triangle. You can see ED below the triangle. Did you see that? And then it went to retest the triangle. Can you see on the edge? That's why we are on the edge of that triangle. Okay. But because they, hold on please. So that's the edge. We are retesting. If I go to the weekly chart, you'll see there. So breaks below. That's the edge. It went a little bit above it. Now it came down, retest it. And people are selling it here. Okay. But this week it's been a bit bullish. But still, we are below. Are they going to retest it again, or is it going to go back above it? All right. So this is about break below, retest. On the weekly chart, we will say that, okay, George, the common certain line is broken because three conditions need to be fulfilled. Okay. Breaks below, first condition, retest, second condition, common certain line is broken. Implement a top-down trading method. After the common certain line is broken, you can see that that candlestick bar that breaks the trend line, this one. It's a little bit long, yes or no? A little bit long. We don't want it to be long, at least a little bit long. So the rally near the median line of that, this one here, allow traders, this is the rally back. It's a little bit long, can you see, but we don't want it to be too long. If you are more experienced trader, you could have participated in this bearish candlestick bar on a weekly chart by dropping down to the daily chart, okay, to participate in this one. But if you're on a weekly chart, this candlestick bar is closed because it's a little bit long. You want it, you will be say, oh, I'll prefer it to go back a little bit near the media line. Sometimes he may not do it. Here he went back to retest it. See, but if you are on the monthly chart, as I am, you have to wait. Where is the data? Okay, you have to wait. Okay. No, this is not a monthly chart. This is the quarterly chart, by the way. I'll go back to the monthly chart. To the monthly chart, you see, you have to wait for this candlestick bar to close. This one, it's not closed yet. It will close today. It will close today. All right. Today is the 29th of March, 2019. All right. The time in London is 4 minutes past 3 p.m. The market is open now here. So it will be closing today. If it stays bearish like this, that will constitute a bearish invitation, a bearish trading setup, and then the following month, from next week, we will be looking for an opportunity to sell it if there is a signal to sell. If there is a signal to sell. All right. So we say monthly chart. Daily chart, will be looking for a signal on the daily chart. After that monthly candlestick bar is closed, we drop down to the daily chart, looking for a clean cut signal to sell it on the daily chart. The setup will be on the, just draw another triangle very fast on the daily chart. So just draw it roughly. So that it will be nice, okay, today to go and stop on the edge of that top there. That would be nice. Come near the top of that declining trend line on the daily chart, and then Monday or Tuesday to investigate it more, all right, on the hourly time frame to see whether there is an entry or not. Now, some trader may say, Joe, you are just telling me now to sell Dow Jones, definitely will go down. No, it can still go above the triangle, okay, still go above it and find support or go back above, okay, that trend line on a monthly chart. You remember the first triangle on the monthly chart. All right. So when you are reviewing your Elliott wave count, you are looking for additional data. Do we have additional data? Or you are asking the question, what has happened so far since I have completed my Elliott wave analysis? Is anything new that I should take into consideration? Or is anything that I need to adjust or correct? Is my previous wave count correct, or do I need to review it? That's why we say the Elliott wave count is one step at a time. That's why we do not remove our lines. So because we have spent a lot of time drawing all those lines, okay, counting way, we leave them on our chart, and the reason is we're going back all the time. In fact, we are going back all the time, okay, to those lines. Remember to place this P42 on your chart. You see, there's a low somewhere in 1994. You connect it to the high of the first wave, and this low here somewhere in 2002. Place that P42 on your chart. Is very, very important, and never remove it. If you are trading the Dow Jones Index, the price stay within a boundary of that P42. It came out of it. This is what the price did all the time. And then it went back to retest the edge of the P42. The third condition was fulfilled. Common straight line is broken. People sold it down to the moving average 50. Finished support, which means break below the lower part of the P42. Retest, yes or no. Common straight line is broken. They sold it down. I draw another P42 here. Here it is again. 1, 2, 3. I'm on a monthly chart again. This low, we have another pink P42. All right. Right now, we can place another P42 on the chart. Okay. Connecting. I'm not going to place it, but I'm going to tell you if you want to do it. That's the first point for the P42. That's the second point there. And that's the third point right there. Connect. You can place another P42 on the chart. So, but the most important P42 is this one. So when we are reviewing our Elliott wave count, we take into consideration the horizontal key levels, the normal trend line, the pitchfork tool, the channel with a rising declining horizontals, and the Fibonacci key levels. Where are we now? The Elliott wave is telling us that we are in the third wave. That, okay, probably this is a portion of the fourth wave. We will see one step at a time. Price in the triangle. We are asking various questions. But in order to get paid, we must ask another question, which means what should we do now? Looking for trading setup on or near one of those key levels, and then we implement a different time frame trading method to trade it. The setup, the signal, and the low risk entry point. So for a Dow Jones, all in all, first thing you should do, have you drawn that line? I told you before, that high for the third wave, 26550. And then this level, 23639. When you are reviewing your Elliott account, you also concentrate on where is the price now. Those key levels that I already mentioned, draw them on your chart. The median line for that orange channel between those two orange lines is at 24990. That's the black line here, horizontal one. But there is another level that I want you to note down. This is very important. Very, very important. 26100. 26100. So you can see that this was this high here, roughly. I just put it there. I can put it a little bit higher, but roughly 26100. Nice number, okay? There was this high here, okay? You can place it even here, but put it at the closing price. You can see I did the same thing here at the closing price instead of putting it on the high here. So the price formed a new higher high, which is this one here. But before that, there was this high here. So where are we now? The price after displaying a higher high, it breaks back below the prior high. It's not good. Talking about, okay, bullish momentum is not good. So what I will say to you today is that priority to bullish signal above 26100 up to that resistance there, that orange one here. Just a small session. Priority to bullish signal above 26100 and 26550. Get it? Break a ball, retest, turn around, look for bullish chart pattern, break a ball, retest any key level above that level, common center is broken, implement a top-down trading method. If there's a sell signal, well, you can buy. Alright? You can only sell then, okay? Prior to bearish signal, below 26100. Down to 24990. So right now that level of 26100 is very, very important. At the end of the day, the bigger picture is that triangle, the price break below that triangle, and then retest it. You remember the pitchfork tool, the price break below the pitchfork tool, and retest it, and the common trend line is broken. People implement a top-down trading method, sell it. As it climbs above the pitchfork tool here, breaks the ball, retest, common center line is broken. This is it, common center is broken. They bought it again. So same thing here, you break below the base of that triangle, is retesting here. The common center line will be broken. We will consider it broken. If you don't want to use the monthly chart, then you have to drop down to the weekly chart, as I already mentioned to you. On the weekly chart, it's already broken, and then you want to implement a top-down trading method to trade it. Okay, be ready to sell and be ready to buy. So if you say, Joe, you are talking too much, simplify it. That triangle price out of it is retested it. Or very important. That high and this lower high, the price now is now below the prior high. It's bearish, 26100. So if you forget everything, draw the 26100 and also the triangle. Look for trading setup, implement a top-down trading method. So this will conclude our discussion today about how to review your Elliott wave count, Dow Jones Index. So you are using the Elliott wave to determine where we are. All right. Now, after a while, you are reviewing the wave count to see whether there is a change, whether there is a new data that you need to update, anything that you need to take into consideration. You draw your key level, your pitchfork tool, your channel, you do your market geometry, and you are concentrating on the current price structure. Where are we now? And where are the key levels that we should take into consideration? This is about reviewing, okay, your wave count. If you have any question, complaint, lamentation, suggestion, all right, let us know in the comment section. If this video has been truly useful to you, please let us know by giving us your beautiful thumbs up. If you say that, Jones, I'm not sure the performance degrading, mark it down. However, if you think it's an essential tutorial, feel free to share with your friend on Google+, on Twitter, Facebook, and Tumblr. If you want to learn more about Elliott wave trading, go to www.24elliottwaves, Digi2, Digi4, Elliott in plural.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, 24 Wave YouTube channel. Be sure to click on the notification bell so anytime I hit the publish button, you will be the first person to be notified. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the GSTW24 traders talking about how to review Elliott wave count, Dow Jones Index, one step at a time. Thank you for watching, and I will speak to you soon. Happy trading to you all.